Hey you guys, what is up? Donovan Ceiling Fancy here. Welcome back. Today we have a Chinese made 2000s Hunter original. I got this off of Facebook Marketplace couple in 2022 or early 2023. It was outside for a bit. I had it installed on my patio, so just now realizing there's dust everywhere, but we're okay. It does have an out of warped blade. Don't know what happened there. It does also have its canopy. I need to find it. Once I clean up, I'll definitely find it. Trying to organize. This is going to become a gaming layer, but it's also going to be half display, half gaming layer. So yeah, here's low. Sorry for that pop. It's my speakers. When I pull chains on fans, the speakers pop. And we're going to do a remake of this Emerson Premium over here to my back. This is just the beginning of the display. I have to get some more screws. Once I get more screws, there's definitely going to be more. I know that for a fact. So yeah, that's low. Here's medium. Does have a little bit of a wobble. Need to get another Hampton Bay mounting bracket for the Jericho that's going to go up on the display. That's medium and there's high. Doesn't really wobble on this speed. I mean, it has a little bit of a shake, but this thing has had it for about 2 years. And like the power of it is moving the Ferrari red. Like I'll stop it, it'll go. And it's not on. I promise it's not on. Here, I'll show you it's not on. That's how you know it's not on. So that's off. But yeah, this thing has not seized up yet. And I'm honestly really liking it. Was gonna go to a collector. But I'm no longer speaking to that person. So yeah, I'm keeping it. But yeah, so now we'll go to the premium, which is already on. So I'm gonna do a separate video, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.